Unlock the creative potential of premium Webflow templates without breaking the bank. In this tutorial, we'll explore a method to ethically and practically leverage high-quality Webflow templates to kickstart your projects by the end. You'll know how to access these resources and integrate them into your workflow, all while respecting Webflow's guidelines. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to find a premium template you love. Browse the Webflow template marketplace and identify a paid template that aligns with your project's vision. Here's the key: we're going to clone this template instead of purchasing it. Directly navigate to the templates listing page. You'll see a clone button. Click this button to add the template structure to your Webflow account, entirely for free. Once cloned, this template will appear in your own Webflow project's dashboard, ready for you to customize. Think of it as your starting point, a robust foundation built by professional designers. Now, the real magic begins. You can now freely modify every aspect of this cloned template. Replace placeholder text with your own compelling copy. Swap out images with your brand's visuals, and adjust colors and fonts to match your unique style. This approach allows you to experiment with advanced layouts and functionalities that come with premium designs. You can add new sections, integrate custom elements, and refine the user experience to perfectly suit your needs. Remember, the goal is to use the template structure and design inspiration. Always ensure your final website is distinct and reflects your brand's identity. Once you're satisfied, simply publish your project, just like you would any other Webflow site. By following these steps, you gain access to professional-grade designs to accelerate your website development, all within Webflow's terms of service. Happy building!